Is Bitcoin trading? Bitcoin trading is the process of buying or selling Bitcoins. The aim of trading is, of course, to increase your own capital. This is achieved by reselling purchased Bitcoins more expensive than they were bought. The cryptocurrency can be traded on more than 400 crypto exchanges worldwide. Miners can sell mined Bitcoins on the exchanges. Anyone who is interested in owning Bitcoins can also purchase Bitcoins on these exchanges. They only need a wallet. In many cases, Bitcoins (BTC) are traded on crypto exchanges. There are high profit opportunities for trading the cryptocurrency. For example, if you bought a Bitcoin for $120 in April 2013, you received $20,000 for it in December 2017. That is significant. But the course is characterized by high volatility. It fluctuates very strongly and it cannot be precisely predicted whether and when the price will rise or fall. This is primarily due to the fact that trading in cryptocurrencies has not yet been regulated accordingly, as is the case with conventional exchanges. Crypto exchanges such as Bitcoin.com or anycoindirect.eu now have appropriate authentication procedures in order not only to identify fraudsters, but also to prevent the problem of money laundering. However, crypto exchanges are not yet legally regulated in trading. Basically, however, this also means that a complete loss of the invested capital is possible at any time. The cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment. When trading cryptocurrencies, the most important thing is the right strategy. Anyone who registered on a crypto trading platform and has a wallet can develop various trading strategies. Basically, when trading a coin should be sold more expensive than it was bought. Most crypto exchanges charge a certain fee for trading cryptocurrencies per trade. In addition to trading in cryptocurrencies on crypto exchanges, cryptocurrencies can also be bought or sold via online exchange offices. A certain fixed amount is usually paid for the respective cryptocurrency. Another option is trading cryptocurrencies through a broker.